Well, we're down here making a mess. Got a disc brake conversion kit put on this thing. Replacing the lower ball joints. It comes with the spindles. Still got to replace the ball joint on this side. This thing's been running them things all its life, and it's been as fast as 621 to 114 mile an hour with four-wheel drum. So we're gonna put this on it. Because she's getting iffy to stop with that thing in it and nitrous. Especially when you had a short shutdown track. That thing might get to go to the track again one day. And that thing's getting a motor rebuilt. So, been wanting to do this for years. And finally decided to do it. Well, spindles, backing plate, and the caliper brackets on. Had to put new ball joints in it. And lower ball joints. They was wore out. This guy, he's back here working on the cutoff switch.
Gotta redo the work we've already done. Gotta redo the work we've already done. So I gotta move it over, so I'm gonna try to angle this bracket. Because if we use the bracket that comes with it, it'll be way too low in the trunk. So I'll figure something out. Just a work in progress. So that's what we're putting in. Push on, push off.
Look at these here.
And fix up the bottom.
See that?
Yeah.
And look at these. The same way.
Alright.
So
We're just sitting here figuring out if these are left and the right side because
see,
they're different. Don't know if it matters or not, whether the gas, which way the gas escapes. But we're going to find out.
because excuse me, if you had it the other way, the brake, if you turn whatever that way when you hit the brakes, it would all go down in there.
Yeah. What's Daniel got here? Can't really see.
Is it? Let me go to the factory. What's going on? I see you play them damn things in the over here to see though.
Yeah, we're crowded in here.
That side is opposite of that. It's going that way.
I don't know.
This don't tell me. So that one probably goes up there.
We'll figure it out. Well, we got one side on. This thing comes with braided lines. And we had a brain fart a while ago. These rotors ain't directional. We was having a brain fart.
Why not? Let's get it started so I can just get the other bolt out and do that hole.
He's still back here working on this.
We're about finished. We're about finished.
Don't be feeling me, I'm a superstar. You know I'm famous.
Your boy racing.
Your boy racing. Downtown performance.
You working on your milk though?
No. You see it's chocolate. It ain't got nothing to do with milk.
Is it turned?
Yes, it's turned.
Okay. All right, so we got that now.
But you know, everybody's got to have goals.
What else?
You. One day, you'll be in front of old Dante.
Ain't gonna be long.
Won't be long.
That's if you blow a tire.
You'll be in front of you. Spray it this time, probably.
All it needs is about another year or two of rusting, and it'll be lighter.
Well,
I think you done took about 100 pounds off the front now.
That's natural weight reduction.
That's right. That's why I ain't fixed the rust in the quarter panels.
I'm at grill, son. You can do that.
That's the 7/16.
I'm at grill.
We put all this room in here, redone the whole darn shop, and we still walking on top of each other.
Oh, we got 3 cars in here.
Yeah, well, it's because we're storing one.
But the old stepchild truck out there, he gets left outside.
Yeah.
Hey, it's got a brand new closed-in shelter. And
All of them's trailer
Nice
queens, but this in here.
Well, mine wouldn't be.
Well,
I don't have to be. It's just a damn shop ornament. I had too much going on to worry about that car.
that heavy junk is finally off of it. That's it. It's been 621 at 114 mile an hour with those things on it.
100 years ago.
It's back in the, what was it, early 90s?
When was it?
No, it was mid 90s.
No, it was. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it was mid 90s.
I was thinking about 98. Somewhere around there.
I think it was mid 90s.
I think that's about running the Mustang.
Yeah.
When did 9/11 happen?
Well, it happened in 2000s.
Okay, so it was a couple years before that.
It was several years before that.
I quit racing in 2000.
Well, I'm just trying to place
The blue
when I lived over on Yak College Road when it happened, because that's when me and Tracy hanging out and all that shit.
And that sticker there's been on there about ever since we've had the car. And got a new one in the house to put on it. When we pull the window out and tint it.
I'm gonna tighten up.
Yep, but this old lead sled has been 621 at 114 mile an hour back in the mid 90s. With 4-wheel drum brake. That was with a small block. Now with big block and going nitrous. Alright, this side's done. Now we got to start here. Changing that, the master cylinder. And this back here is done. So we're ready to go on that.
Never mind. Put that part out.
It might make it to the track this year to test out that.
Well,
Yeah, maybe one day. Well, I'll get to go to the track. Hopefully, I can take that for damn years ago.
This other thing, it's sitting out there under the tarp. He's scared.
it's saving its potential.
Don't know when that over is gonna be done.
Yeah, she's a shop ornament now. So,
Stay in here watching.
Or idle.
Yeah, vice garage.
yeah. It's something.
All right, well, we're gonna get started on this. Well, this is done. Both sides. But we got to get unions for the proportioning valve. That's the factory one for 4-wheel drum. That's disc and drum. And we finished up the kill switch. But no part stores is open today, so be during the week to get this done. Then we might go make some nitrous hits.
Heck yeah. One day.
That's a lot of travel difference right there. Driver's side's done, passenger side hasn't been done. Alright, we're done with the grinding. All this here has that to be ground, and this side has to be ground on both sides, and some up there. To get that shock body to go up through it, and those knobs for the adjustments. That's why you got to cut it back so far here. So the next step is to put those on, get it on the ground, go get it alignment done. And I wasn't around for that to be put on, and the proportioning valve. I'll give a shout out to Shane Barney and Tony Hill for doing that while I was sick. So it won't be long, this thing be headed to the track. If you like what you're watching, just give a like, subscribe, and share.